Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally showing you guys my house, which is super exciting. But make sure to stick around to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so this is the front door. It's two front doors. Has that like modern look to it. But yeah, this is kind of like the entryway of the house. Then over here, basically this is just, it's supposed to be a dining room, but we are going to make it into another living room. Between some chairs and like a cute little couch. Maybe like a gallery wall. And it has two really big windows here. So yeah, as you can tell, it's super empty. Like super empty. I also have a really pretty chandelier in this entrance. It's like a diamond shaped, and every light fixture that you see here is from Lamps Plus. So also super affordable, but really pretty, and we really like the quality so far. Okay, now right across to the left side of where you enter in, it's the office. This is my dad's office. It has two double doors that look like this. Oh my gosh, if I know how to close. Basically, you guys get the gist. So they're usually closed. Okay, I'll just give you a few little overview. It's of course not ready. Things are scattered everywhere. But yeah, this is my dad's desk, and this is me. I got that for him because he has pictures of everyone else but myself. So I'll show the light fixture and the other thing, but it has like the, what are these called? Anyways, it has these ceilings that kind of go up a little bit more to make the room look bigger, and that room across the hall had them too. Okay, so moving on into the hallway, this is just a coat closet and a shoe closet, so it's pretty messy. There's still boxes in there. Okay, and then we have the bathroom, or the powder room slash ensuite for the guest room, I guess. So we can come right in here. And we have some marble countertops. It's a really cool little sink feature. All our mirrors are from Home Goods, except for my mom's bathroom upstairs, which recommend because they are really inexpensive. So definitely, and they're also different. They're not just like a big mounted plain mirror. They have like really cool frames. So definitely check out Home Goods for that. So this is the powder room, and this door is usually closed right here. So guests can just come in and use the bathroom because they don't need a shower when they come in, obviously. And then this is let me turn the light on. I don't know where the light is. I'm still really new to this house. Okay, so then we have the shower. Continuing on through the whole bathroom is the guest bedroom. Okay, so this is the guest bedroom. This is like the only bedroom in the house that's fully furnished and like basically ready to go. Every other bedroom and every other room in this house has nothing, or it's like half-assed, which is fine because we just moved in. But I'll be doing a ton of videos of when we do decorate because I really like watching those videos and I feel like people would be interested. So we have, this is my little brother's old bed here, and my mom wanted it to be kind of like a white oasis with hints of pink, so it's pretty girly, but I don't even think we're gonna have a lot of guests staying here. We have like these really long white curtains that we got from Home Goods, and the sign that we got from Home Goods as well says bless this house with, wow, that was a lisp. Bless this house with love and laughter, and we just hung that up. And we got all those lamps. Basically almost everything you guys see here is from Home Goods, and so yeah. And also as you can see, the walls are painted it's called
gray.
No, there's a name by
Charcoal.
What's that? No, it's a lazy gray. That's the wall color we have on our house. It's a cool gray, so it makes it look kind of blue in some lightings, which is makes it look really pretty and make the house look really bright. So the bathroom is here, and then we walk out, and this is our like family room. So you walk through here. This is the family room. Like I just said, we don't have couches or TVs or literally anything right now, so it's been fun. We've all been hanging out in our rooms, which is okay, but we're mounting the TV up on the fireplace. So we have this really pretty brick. We have this really awesome fireplace that I absolutely love. It's like super modern and cool. So yeah, we're hanging the TV up on here. We've got this, my dad put in this wooden mantle, right? That's what it is. It's, yeah, a wooden mantle. And we're putting in a couch, I think, no, it's gonna be this way to here. So it'll be like an L, I think, or we're gonna have two separate ones that go like this. This wall is where we're thinking of doing like a huge gallery wall with like tons of pictures of our family, but we still need to get those pictures. So that'll be coming later. We have lots of natural light. So we have lots of windows that go all the way up. We have really, really, really high ceilings here in the back part of the house. We have two sliding doors. We have sliding doors and then a ton of windows here. This was actually supposed to be another sliding door, but then we would have 3 sliding doors like right next to each other. So my dad just decided to do all windows all the way up. It's pretty good. We have this really cool wall that like curves because of the stairs, which is really awesome. All we have is plants. So we have a plant here, we had a plant back there, and we have another plant here. My mom is super proud of her plant children that she has. Okay, so walking into the kitchen, which is like the most important part to my family and myself and my mom. Well, for my entire family, this is the most important part of the whole entire house. And we really wanted to make it the focus of the house, if that makes sense. And you could see the floor is different from the floors we were walking on before. So this is just like our gray wood floor. And then we have kind of like a marble tile, long tile all across the kitchen because we wanted the white on white and then the dark in the middle. We have this huge kitchen that can seat up to, I think, 12 to 15 people. Right now we have about, I think we have 8 chairs lined up. But we really wanted a huge island. I don't even know how to show you guys how big this thing is. It's massive. This is like where we spend most of our time. We have these really, really pretty light fixtures up here with like recessed lighting all around, but these are really pretty and they kind of match the cabinets. There are plenty of cabinets. I have no idea where anything is. I still have to kind of look through everything to find a fork. Whoa, I got water on me. I have to look through every cabinet to find a fork in this house. And then we have our gas stove, our massive fridge that I'm not gonna open because it's so dirty. But yeah, it's huge. My mom really wanted a really, really big fridge, massive, and we love it. We have our trusty rooster that we've had for 15 years in our house. So it has to come along. It doesn't really match with anything, but that's okay. Apparently it's good luck. Now walking back here is the mudroom. So clearly there's no like little lockers or dividers or whatever that would be in a mudroom because we haven't even thought about that. This is probably gonna be the last room ever to get fixed. But we have a 3-car garage. We have a little closet right here that's just like our broom closet, so it has all of our cleaning supplies and stuff. And then we have our pantry, which is a little dirty right now, and it's not filled and stuff is still kind of everywhere, but yeah. And then walking out of the kitchen. Okay, so next up we have the bar, which is one of my favorite places. We have another fridge here at the bar, and it's right off the kitchen. This is just our alcohol kind of little thing with like sodas and stuff. This is the bar, which is like super cool. We did an awesome accent wall with this cool like rustic wood in the back. It's super like, I don't know, farmhousey. And we have these really pretty wood slabs on the wall. We did have the cabinets like we did in the kitchen all up here, already inserted and ready, but my dad just didn't love it. I came up with this idea, or I saw it on Pinterest a year ago, and I showed my dad and he fell in love, so he wanted to recreate it. So we have clearly tons of alcohol. My dad, it's like his collection, but on the weekends, it's fun to make some fun drinks, and he just thinks it looks really cool, which it does. It looks awesome. So yeah, this is my dad's little bar. It has a sink. It's like a mini kitchen, a little mini kitchenette kind of deal. This is literally the size of my college kitchen. Okay, now wrapping back around, we're back into that little dining room slash other living room area. We're gonna wrap up around and go up into the upstairs area. So let's go. So we decided on black handrails. Love the black look because everything is so light and bright in this house. So having the black accents makes the house look super elegant and super pretty, and it kind of contrasts each other. So yeah, it's a curved staircase. The staircase wraps around, which is like perfect for prom pictures, but no one's going to prom anytime soon. So we walk through this little hallway and the chandelier right here, which is really pretty, and you can kind of see through the front door this way. We'll go this way first and we'll stop in this room. So don't mind the bright red beanbag. We're getting a new cover for it that's like a gray color. But this is kind of like the bonus room slash like media room. So we're gonna do a really big kind of Restoration Hardware inspired cloud couch. Oh, not Restoration Hardware because those are really, 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 really expensive. But we're gonna do like the same thing that just like wraps around all the entire room. But you can see right into the kitchen through here and all the way downstairs, which is really, really nice. We do need to get blinds still, and we have these two huge big windows as well. To my left here, we have my brother's room. And I don't know how clean this is, but they're just like really, they're just pretty normal sized bedrooms. Nothing special, nothing crazy. Coming back down the hall, my other brother's bedroom, which is the exact same as the last one we just saw. Again, his is a little bit more furnished than most of ours. He has a different setup clearly, and they both have a ton of video game stuff that's like just everywhere. But yeah, same kind of concept. They have really big windows. We'll do their bathroom next. So in their bathroom, we decided to do kind of a more boyish, like dark theme. Most of the house is really bright and white, but we wanted their room to be a little bit darker. Shows this really pretty dark gray marble. Sorry if their bathroom's a little dirty, they didn't clean it. And then we have this really pretty dark speckled tile on the ground as well, and it goes all the way through the shower. And their shower is the honeycomb, like black and white style, which is really, really pretty. So the only thing that's like white in here is the cabinets. They have really pretty mirrors. So this is our laundry room, and it has a ton of storage, has a sink in here. The only thing about this laundry room that we're kind of sad about is that it's really, really small in comparison to our old one. There's not a lot of space for us to move around in here. So that's one thing, if we could redo, it'd be this room and make it a lot bigger. Okay, now right off the laundry room is my bedroom. Again, we have all these black details in the house just to kind of make it like or contrast it a little bit. So this is my bedroom. I'm gonna be doing a full-on bedroom tour, so I'm not gonna go into detail, but I have another one of those peekaboo windows, which is so pretty. It's literally my favorite view. The sunset is so pretty here because you can see the mountains in the back and all the trees. I got this really big mirror that I get tons of questions about from HomeGoods as well. It's massive. It's like literally huge. So yeah, that's from HomeGoods. My bedding's from HomeGoods. I have a small little walk-in closet. But I mean, it fits everything. I still have tons of room in here. I like to get rid of clothes a ton, so I have lots of space. I have my own bathroom here, and I just did like the all white marble look. I did white countertops. I did a really pretty, one of my light bulbs is out, but a really big mirror from HomeGoods. My bathroom is all marble with this really beautiful floor detailing. This is my parents' bedroom. So yeah, they have really big windows for lots and lots of natural lighting. They have this really, really beautiful chandelier that I absolutely love. Here, I'll turn it on. It's really, really pretty. It has like this really dainty fabric on the outside of it that makes it look so, so pretty. And walking into their master bathroom and closets. So walking in here, we have this massive shower with like 3 shower heads. So it's literally like you can run a marathon in it, I bet. So then they have this really beautiful tub with this, look, I think this is so cool. Like how the water comes out. It's so freaking cool. They have the exact same floors except in a squared version on there as my bathroom. And then me and my mom actually made this bouquet, and we got everything from Michael's and HomeGoods, like this vase from HomeGoods, and then these are all from Michael's. But yeah, they wanted like an all white, really spa-like feeling bathroom. We have this really awesome mirror that my mom really wanted to hang up, but it looks really pretty here, and it's a really good outfit picture mirror for my Instagram, so I'm not complaining about it. So one side is my mom's closet, the other side is my dad's closet. So we'll go into, actually let's go into my dad's. So they got this made at IKEA. Aspen Ovard posted a video a few months ago talking about how they went to IKEA to customize their walk-in closet. So I told my parents that they should definitely do that instead of having like those wires, the wire closet style. So they went to IKEA. They said it was super easy. You just go on a computer, you have the measurements of the closet, and you basically get to choose exactly what you want to put into the closet. And apparently it's super inexpensive and super affordable. So yeah, my dad customized his closet. He has a few shelves for his stuff, a few drawers, and a lot of hanging space in here. So yeah, and then let's move on to the other side. This is my mom's closet. They're not connected at all. They have a wall in between them. But my mom has a desk in here where she gets ready. I also got it customized, so they're not the same closets. They kind of chose what they wanted. My mom has a ton of space for shoes. She has a lot of like little rollout drawers here. Tons of drawers, tons of space. Wow, space. They have tons of space. She surprisingly fit all of her stuff in the closet, which is a shocker to all of us, honestly. But their closets are seriously like a dream closet.
That was really lame.
That was. I'm sweating bullets. So I just wanted to mention that we did build this house in our old backyard. So our old house is in the front yard, I guess. So my dad did buy the property. I'm so out of breath from that. I need to hit the freaking gym. My dad bought this property knowing that he could build 2 houses here. He built our old one about 12 years back, and I think he thought it was time to start building this one about a little over a year ago now. I had a lot of fun helping build this and kind of choosing all the finishes and stuff, because that's like right up my alley. It all came together really, really well. I'm really, really proud of my entire family for coming together and building this house. And I know we are all super, super proud of it. It took a lot of hard work, and I didn't even contribute a ton to it because I was back at school for the entire year that it was being built. But yeah, I'm super happy with how it came out, and same with my entire family. And we're definitely gonna be here for a few years. When rooms are finished, I will definitely do more in-depth of when all the rooms are furnished and ready to go, to show you guys kind of the style we're going for in here. That's it for my video. I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know a ton of you were waiting to see this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.